to see now. So what will happen? G is actually, if R, the distance between the object, that is what object and the earth, the R is keep on increases, G value keep on decreases. This R value is keep on decreases, G value keep on increases. So where the G value become maximum, everybody? The G value is maximum at where, everyone? G value is maximum at the surface of the earth. That is what remember. Now, if you reaches to the certain height, then what is the G value at this place? That is what is our question now. So we all knows that weight is equals to force exerted between them. That is what I equated. I got the formula. What is the formula for that at that height, brothers? At this height, the given height, what is the G dash? Let me take that G is not equals to surface. So I'm assuming as a G dash. So G dash is equals to GM divided by R square. So now what is this R? All of you observe very carefully. So this is the earth. So earth radius is R. What is the radius of the earth, everybody? Radius of the earth is what? All of you? R. Now object is at present here at a height of H from the ground. Then the total distance between from their centers is R. Then can you tell me what is smaller? Smaller is equals to what? Radius of the earth plus H. Am I right? Will you all agree with me, everybody? Yes, please respond, guys. All of you. So that is what it is. So if I replace this R, then what will happen? G dash is equals to GM divided by RE plus H whole square. Will you all agree with me? Any problem in this? You can ask me. Okay, Pradosh? Clear? Understand, guys? Everybody? Yes, please respond. Now, first formula, what you have written, everybody check it. GM is equals to, what is the formula? Check it, everyone. GM is equals to, okay, let me take GM divided by RE plus H whole square. All of you observe very carefully. RE plus H whole square. Now my question is, what is the G value of earth, everybody? Verify it, everyone. G value of earth is equals to mass into, what is that? Sorry, capital G into capital M divided by radius of earth whole square. Will you all return that? Verify it, everybody. G value of earth, what you have written? Check it, everyone. What is the G value of earth, Ra? G value of earth, how much we got it? Please respond. Capital G into mass of earth divided by radius of earth whole square. Am I right, guys? Respond, Ra. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So from that, can I say GM means what will happen, brothers? Rudresha? GM means, can I write as a small g into radius of the earth, radius of the square of radius of the earth? Can I write it or not? Everybody. So in place of GM, I will write a small g into, which is equals to G dash. So small g into radius of the earth whole square divided by radius of the earth plus H whole square. Now, divide both. Of course, you can learn this formula is also correct. R dash is equals to G into capital M divided by G into capital M divided by R square. This is the formula, standard formula above the surface, where R is equals to radius of the earth plus height above from the ground. That is what you have to remember. Now, this is the another formula, more standard formula. Divide both numerator and denominator with the RE square. RE, you can take it. So what will happen, everybody? Both numerator and denominator, if I divide with RE, so what will happen, everyone? Can you tell me? All of you? RE not. Yeah, RE, okay, you can take it with RE. So what will happen, everybody? So divided by RE plus H divided by RE, I can do it. So you can tell me. So what will happen, everyone? So RE get cancelled. So it will become 1 square. So G divided by here, RE by RE, which is equals to 1 plus H by RE whole square. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Will you all agree with me? Please respond. For those. So that is what is the formula. So G divided by 1 plus H divided by RE whole square, which is also I can write G into 1 plus H divided by RE 2 minus. That is what? Minus 2, sorry. Minus 2, inverse it is. So 1 by x means I can write as x power minus 1. Same way it is. So this is the most standard formula. You can calculate the G dash value anywhere above from the ground. G dash is equals to G into 1 plus H by radius of the earth minus 2, or 1 by you can write it. So clear everybody? And you remember here, this is the formula which you have to use it where height above from the ground is greater than radius of the earth. More and more and more and more greater than radius of the earth only you have to use this formula. So with the help of this formula, we can calculate the G value at any height above from the ground. If you keep on moving any height above from the ground, we people can calculate the G value. Do you understand, Raprados? Alright. So what is the formula? G value? G value above from the ground, you have to remember capital G into capital M divided by R square. Sorry, R square. R square. So this R value is equals to what, everybody? Yes, respond. R value is equals to what? Radius of the earth plus height above from the ground. That is what you have to remember. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Clear, guys? Respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
That is. Now, there is a question. For example, this is the earth. Then just Mr. Prados traveled 1 kilometer. So then what is the G value? 5 kilometers, G value. 10 kilometers, G value. Understanding? So it is, see, this 10, 5, 15, this all just extremely smaller than radius of the earth. Am I right, guys? Will you all agree with me? Please, everybody respond. Pradosh, understanding? So now, even if you consider earth, Mount Everest is the biggest one, but if you see the earth from the surface, so suppose from the sky, is it Mount Everest is looks like a very big? It is looks like a one small point on the earth. Am I right, guys? Will you all agree with me? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. That is what. So even Mount Everest height is also extremely smaller than the radius of the earth. That is what I'm saying. Like 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer, 25 kilometer. These all are extremely smaller than radius of the earth. Maybe it is 3,000, 4,000, 7,000. Like that kilometer, 30,000. This all will be accepted because radius of the earth is how much? Everybody. What is the radius of the earth? 6.4 into 10 power 5 meters. So this is the radius of the earth. If H value is extremely smaller, then there is another formula how to use it. This is the special case. I'm saying you, this is a special case. You have to use this one where Rudraswa H value is extremely smaller than radius of the earth. This is the common formula which you have to use it, where you will replace with that. That is what? G dash is equals to G divided by 1 plus height above from the ground divided by radius of the earth whole square. This is the formula, more standard formula. For calculating the G above from the earth, you have to use it. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Then you can see, if H value is extremely smaller, very, very important, then what will happen? G dash is equals to, notate everybody, formula is G into 1 plus H by RE whole square. But this formula should not use. Why? This is the more standard formula. If H is extremely smaller, this formula should not use. So for this formula, how it will be modified? Observe very carefully. That is what? G into 1 minus 2H divided by RE. This is the formula where you have to use it, Pradosh. G value is extremely. Yes, please. G value is extremely. Sorry, G value not. H value is extremely smaller than the radius of the earth. Sir, how this formula will come? That is mathematics. So observe very carefully, everybody. G divided by 1 plus H divided by radius of the earth whole square. Observe this alone carefully. This G value, I will take it like this expression. 1 by 1 plus X whole power n. This is what it is. This one, can I write as a 1 plus X whole power minus n? Any problem for anybody? Yes, please. 1 plus X whole power minus n. Am I right? Speak, guys. All of you. Which is equals to basically 1 minus nx. This is the formula which we'll use it to write this mathematical expression. So here n means what? Everybody. Check it, everybody. N means what? All of you. Same formula, guys. So what will the formula? G into. So let me take it now, all of you. If you observe, 1 minus, plus actually, 2 into minus 2, minus 2h divided by RE. That's all. Understand, Ara? That is how the formula comes. So this is the most important one which you need to solve it. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. H is extremely smaller. This is the formula. Only remember, this is a special case where H is very, 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 very less than radius of the earth. Clear? Everyone, please respond. That is what. Okay. So all of you understand, Pradosh, Rudresha? Clear, Mr. Kadiri, Rishi, Rohit? Any doubt, anybody can ask me. So all of you remember, above from the ground, main important formula. If you go above from the ground, from the surface G value is maximum always. What is that value? 9.8 meter per second square. So if you are keep on going above at any point, you can see if it is extremely more longer distance, then nu at this point G dash, this is G and this is G dash. So G dash is equals to at the surface divided by 1 plus H divided by radius of the earth whole square. If H value is less than R radius of the earth, then G dash is equals to G into 1 minus 2H divided by R. This is the formula. Clear? I hope everybody understand. So this is the formulas which you have to remember. But before this formula, you have to remember that G dash is equals to GM divided by R square. So this is the formula. Most important formula. Like you can calculate the G value above from the ground at any place. Clear? Now the last question for you is, I'll ask you one question, tell me. If this is the earth and if I'm seeing above from the earth, suppose from this point. So now you tell me, is this looks like a hollow cylinder or is this looks like a solid cylinder? Earth. You are seeing from the earth. So is this looks like a hollow cylinder or hollow sphere, or is this looks like a solid sphere? Everybody? Because atmosphere is there, correct? So it is looks like a solid sphere or hollow sphere. Everyone? It is looks earth is just a part of it. So it is a what, everyone? It is the, please respond, hollow sphere. Understand? So when you are keep on going above from the ground, please keep it in mind. The always, all of you remember. So it is considered as a, what is to consider if you are seeing above from the ground? It is the hollow sphere. So that is why what is a gravitational field created inside hollow sphere? What is a gravitational field created? Anybody? Inside hollow sphere. Inside hollow sphere gravitational field, which is equals to what, guys? 0. So 2 points I'm saying, remember, above from the earth if you are going, it is looks like a hollow sphere. Our surface to the digging ground, it is looks like a solid sphere. Okay, so why solid sphere means we'll discuss in tomorrow's class. For example, now Mr. Udreswar is at the surface. Now he reaches to at this point. So now mass is considered above or below. Only this is a system now. Am I right or wrong? Total mass is m dash. M, and this mass is what, everybody? M dash. He went inside the depth D. Okay, so those understand that. So at this case, outer surface will become what? Looks like a hollow. Am I right or wrong? Yesterday's class we have studied. Only inside mass is present. That mass is m dash. Are you clear, everybody? So that please respond, all of you. So that is what. So we have done it also. So then depth it is different. Depth it is different. Only now going above you have to remember. Then depth and how it will be varies. When you are going below the earth surface, how it will be varies. What is the formulas and all we'll discuss in the next class. So till here, any doubt, anybody can ask me, or else you can leave from the meeting and get sleep, and we'll meet in tomorrow's class. Are you clear, everybody, today's class? So when you're going above from the ground, you have to consider earth is looks like a hollow sphere. So inside the hollow sphere, what is the gravitational field, everybody? Inside the hollow sphere, gravitational field is what? All of you. Clear? That is what you have to remember. Understand, Ra? Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Okay, brothers? Clear today's class, all of you? So only you studied acceleration due to gravity when you are going above from the ground. That is what it is. Okay. So please learn. Everything is very important. Anything doubt, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Then tomorrow we'll discuss when going below and as well as rotation. when it is a rotation, what is the G value focusing? That's what we written the formula at the beginning. How the formula derivation, that is all we are going to discuss. Okay. So thank you everybody. Please wake up by morning. I know much time waste in school also now. So kindly wake up and start working. That is what is expecting from everybody. Okay. So none is wake up, only 1 or 2 is wake up, other than remaining all enjoying only. Okay. So kindly practice. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. Thank you everybody.